Do you want to taste the best food for pasalubong o pagkain para sa anumang okasyon? No need to go to other places because here in Camarines Norte, you'll find Baked by Baby. Baked by Baby offers mouth-watering snacks and pasalubong for you and your family. The best talaga sa Baked by Baby kasi sa kanila, bibili ka lang ng napakasarap na paninda nila. May free only hot coffee pa. Tikman ng masubukan dahil tiyak iyong babalik-balikan. Ang sarap sa Baked by Baby. Available sa Baked by Baby, cassava cake, round, big tray, bites, small, and bilao. Burger, special burger, baby burgers, native babies, bibingka, puto cake, flavored puto, puto pao, bilao mix, and buko pie. Baked goodies, hopia, Spanish bread, cheese roll, pineapple pudding, choco banana, muffin, carrot muffin, cheese muffin, and cinnamon roll. Available din sa Baked by Baby ang super sarap na baked macaroni sa kahit anong sizes. Solo, small, medium, and large. Cheese donut, ubi donut. Meron din silang angko, tikoy, ubi tikoy, peanut butter, peanuts, eco spicy, sukang atsara, calamansi puree, chicharon bagnet, crumbs, chicha pop, banana chips, bizcocho, honey, leche flan, masa pudrida, yema, bibingka, at kapeng barako. Baked by Baby is located at Maharlika Highway, Barangay Iberica, Lapo, Camarines Norte, and Baked by Baby at the ground level of SM City Daet near mall entrance. Ano pang inaantay nyo? Tara na sa Baked by Baby!